Are your windshield wipers leaving streaks or making that annoying squeaking sound every time it rains? Don't wait until a storm hits to do something about it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Bosch wiper blades the easy way. No tools, no confusion, and no need to visit a mechanic. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, this step-by-step guide will help you replace your blades like a pro, even if you've never done it before. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Autolab, and on this channel we make car maintenance simple, practical, and doable for everyone. One of the most overlooked safety features on your vehicle is your windshield wipers. When they start skipping, smearing, or squeaking, it's time to replace them. And Bosch is one of the best brands on the market for reliable, long-lasting performance. In this video, we're using Bosch Icon wiper blades, but the same steps apply to Clear Advantage and Envision series as well. We'll walk through removing your old blades, choosing the right adapter, installing the new ones, testing them, and I'll even share some bonus tips to make sure they last as long as possible. Step 1. Identify your wiper blade type. Before we even touch the new Bosch wiper blades, we need to do something that a lot of people skip, and that's identifying your vehicle's specific wiper arm type. This might sound technical, but it's actually very simple and will save you a lot of trouble during installation. The most common type of wiper arm, and the one Bosch usually supports out of the box, is the J-hook. It's exactly what it sounds like. A curved hook at the end of the wiper arm that latches onto the blade. This style is found on the majority of vehicles and is the easiest to work with. But not all cars use the same system. Some vehicles, especially European brands or newer models, use different connection types like side locks, top locks, or pin arms. Side locks usually have a button or tab on the side that clicks into place. Top locks clip in from above, and pin arms have a small round pin that slides into the blade adapter. These styles aren't difficult to work with, but they do require the correct adapter to fit properly. Luckily, Bosch includes several adapters in the packaging to cover nearly all these types. They also include a small instruction sheet that shows you which adapter works with which arm style. If you're unsure, you can check your vehicle's owner's manual, or you can simply lift your wiper arm and take a close look at how the current blade is connected. Another helpful trick? Use Bosch's website or any major auto parts store's online tool. Just enter your car's year, make, and model, and it'll show you exactly which Bosch blade fits your vehicle, including the right adapter and blade lengths. Speaking of length, don't forget that most cars use two different blade sizes. The driver's side is usually longer than the passenger side, and some vehicles even have a third blade on the rear window. Double-check your sizes by measuring your old blades or referring to the guide. Taking this first step seriously ensures you get the right parts, a perfect fit, and a smooth installation. So don't skip it. Identify your wiper arm style and blade sizes before anything else. Step 2. Remove the old wiper blade. To remove your old wiper blades, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. It should hold itself upright. Be cautious. These arms are spring-loaded, and if they snap back onto your windshield, they can crack the glass. Placing a towel or soft cloth on the windshield beneath the arm is a good safety precaution. Now, locate the locking mechanism where the blade connects to the arm. If you have a J-hook, you'll usually press a small tab and slide the blade downward to release it from the hook. For other styles, there might be a clip or button to press. It should come off with light pressure. Never force it. Once the blade is removed, take a few seconds to clean the exposed metal arm with a cloth. Dust and road debris can build up there and interfere with a clean connection. Step 3. Choose and attach the right adapter. Bosch blades often come with a universal adapter already attached, especially for J-hook arms. But if your vehicle uses a different connection, you'll find several adapters included in the package. These adapters are clearly clearly labeled and illustrated in the instruction sheet. Match your vehicle's wiper arm style with the correct adapter. To attach the adapter, remove the one currently on the blade if needed and snap the new one into place until it clicks. It should feel snug and secure. If it's loose or wobbly, double check that it's seated correctly. Bosch makes this process pretty straightforward, but if you're stuck, a quick search for your vehicle model plus Bosch wiper adapter usually brings up a helpful video or diagram. Step 4. Install the new Bosch wiper blade. With the correct adapter in place, it's time to install your new Bosch blade. Take the wiper arm in one hand and line up the adapter with the connector on the blade. For J-hook arms, slide the hook through the adapter's opening and pull upward until you hear or feel a solid click. That means the blade is locked in. For pin-type or side-lock arms, the blade will either snap into place or require a small push on the locking mechanism. After installation, give the blade a light tug to make sure it's fully secure. If it slips or doesn't feel solid, remove it and try again. Lastly, lower the arm back onto the windshield carefully. Don't let it drop. That sudden impact could damage your new blade or the glass. Step 5. Test your new wipers. Once both blades are installed, turn on your car and activate the windshield washer to test the new wipers. Let them run through several cycles with fluid to check for smooth movement, even pressure, and quiet operation. Bosch blades, especially the Icon series, are known for delivering a streak-free wipe and quiet performance, thanks to their beam-style frame and uniform pressure distribution. If you notice any streaking, lift the blade and wipe the rubber strip and windshield with a damp microfiber cloth. Dirt or oil residue can cause smearing even with a brand new blade. Bonus tips for wiper blade longevity. To make the most out of your new Bosch wiper blades, follow a few simple tips. First, clean your windshield regularly. Dirt and grime wear down the rubber quickly. Second, avoid running your wipers on a dry windshield. Always use washer fluid to reduce friction. In the winter, lift your wipers off the glass if you're expecting snow or freezing rain. This prevents them from sticking or freezing in place. Also, consider replacing both wiper blades at the same time. Even if only one is worn, installing a fresh pair ensures balanced wiping and better visibility in all conditions. Lastly, store your car in a shaded area if possible. Heat and UV rays can dry out and crack the rubber. And there you have it, a full installation guide for Bosch wiper blades that anyone can follow. No special skills, no expensive garage visit. Just better visibility and safer driving in minutes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of car you drive. I'll help you find the perfect blades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.